Hello student, our today's topic is appendix ledger. What do you mean by appendix ledger? Appendix ledger is newly introduced ledger and is assigned to a leading ledger or a non-leading ledger. This ledger is created as an extension ledger which can point to the same underlying ledger. This ledger can be used for adjustment for consolidation purposes and simulation of foreign currency valuation. Appendix ledger as extension can be assigned its own period variants. That means that the standard ledger can be closed at the assigned extension ledger can be open. Reporting on the extension ledger always includes the data of the underlying ledger. Extension ledger usage also includes adjustment for local accounting and foreign currency valuation. It inherits the currency configuration of the leading ledger and can have a different posting period variant. Unlike leading and non-leading ledgers, it contains only those line items which are posted to this ledger only, that is appendix ledger. As this ledger takes the base from the standard ledger, so this prevents multiple data footprint and significantly reduces data redundancy because the journal entries do not need to be posted to both the appendix and the standard ledger. Many appendix ledgers can be assigned to the same standard ledger, but an appendix ledger cannot be assigned on the top of another appendix ledger. The appendix ledger only accepts manual posting, that is, transaction FB01L, FBB1, KB11, and KB41. It can report on all transaction data of the underlying ledger, so we can create management views without duplicating the data from the underlying ledger. Each ledger, standard, or appendix is assigned to an accounting principal. You can also link an accounting principal manually to a ledger group that contains an extension ledger. Extension ledger can be assigned with a different posting period variant. This means that the standard ledger can be closed while assigned extension ledger remains open. For assigning extension ledger, we can use a transaction code FINSC underscore ledger or by path SPRO SAP reference implementation guide, financial accounting global settings, ledgers, ledger, define setting for ledgers and currency type. We will see in SAP how to define an appendix ledger. SAP reference implementation guide, financial accounting global settings, ledgers, ledger, define setting for ledgers and currency type. Click on continue button, then click on new entries. We will enter T2. Enter name here appendix ledger dash TRE1. Select here standard ledger, extension ledger, then here standard journal and underlying ledger is our leading ledger. Then press enter, click on save button. Then click on continue button, click on create request and enter your description. Define appendix ledger. Then click on save button and then click on continue button. So ledger group T2 is created only with ledger T2. Click on continue button. Now select our ledger and double click on company code settings. So we will assign here our company codes to our leading ledger. Click on continue button. Here we want only our company, so remaining all companies we have to delete it. Select by select all. Now select our company. Here our company is TRE1, TRK1, TRN1 and TRS1, and then click on delete button. Our company is here and rest of companies are deleted. Now click on save button. Click on continue button. Then double click on our TRE1. Click on continue and change the accounting principle to IAS. Press enter. Click on save button. Then click on continue button.